Greetings, Cretan learners. My name is Mr. Simbi and welcome to today's accounting class. In today's class, I'm going to be talking budgeting. I have a practice question that I have for you. And I have a cash budget of Parrot Traders for the month of April. And we are required to calculate A to D in the cash budget provided. All right, let's see. Calculate A. In order to calculate A, it becomes easy because A is total receipts. To get total receipts, I'll simply add my cash sales, which is 56,000. Then I will add my receipts from debtors, which is 21,600. Then the total becomes 77,600. That becomes my total receipts. Total receipts, I simply add my cash sales and my receipts from debtors. That gives me A. Calculate B. B is total payments. B is total payments. To get total payments, I'm going to look on my payments section here. So I'm going to have my calculator and I'm going to start adding. I'm going to say 4,000 plus 32,040 plus 4,500, which is this one, plus 1,600, this one there, plus 800, and then lastly I add 2,000 plus 2,000. Please punch that in the calculator. Tell me how much do you get. All right, you get 44,940. 44,940. That becomes total payments. So I would have brought it here in brackets, 44,940. I know that my payments must be in brackets, 44,940. C, calculate the cash surplus or deficit. This is easy. I know that if I take my receipts, which is 77,600, and I subtract my payments, which is 44,940, that gives me C. So if I punch in my calculator, I say 77.6 minus 44,940. I'll end up with 32,660. And this is a positive balance. That means it's a cash surplus of 32,660. A cash surplus of 32,660. That is the answer to C. Then the next one says calculate D. D is the closing bank balance, the closing bank balance. To get the closing bank balance, I must say my cash surplus of 32,660 plus the opening bank balance of 29,745. I add this two. 32,660 here plus 29,745. 29,745, that's that one. It would then give me 62,405. 62,405. Very important that you add the 29 because you are going to calculate the closing bank balance. So you have the cash surplus, 32, then you add the opening bank balance to get D, which is your closing bank balance. So I'll come here, then I'll say 62,405. That becomes the closing bank balance. Dear learners, let's go for an ad break, and I'll see you shortly.